Welcome. Recording W2. Listen and read. What 3 new topics does the WOW team mention for Semester 2?
Semester 1 was an adventure for us. I hope it was for you too. I spent the holidays helping my aunt, who's an architect in Egypt. She used to have an employee, but she needed to leave. I asked my aunt if she wanted me to help, and she told me to be there every day at 9 a.m. I really enjoyed it, and I might go back again next summer.
Hi, and welcome back. I've got some great news. I got into the professional football team for boys of my age. I'm starting practice next month, and I can't wait. Practice takes place 5 times a week, and each one lasts from 5 to 8 p.m. in the evening. I shouldn't stay up late at nights because I won't play well. We are expected to play in tournaments with other teams. Last year, the team was awarded a medal. They came first.
Thank you for all your ideas. Another friend posted a comment today and asked if we could talk about exploring. I told her not to worry. This topic is also covered in Semester 2. You needn't worry at all. There's plenty to find out in this book.
I hope you all liked the articles on science that I found for Semester 1. My friends and I are working on some more articles on science and inventions for this semester. You'll enjoy them too. Let's begin!